So Nicole Kidman divorced Keith Urban, and I think the court documents give us a little juicy nugget of insider detail about their relationship. It's all speculation on my part as a lawyer, but who wants speculation about other people's private relationships? Oh, you do. The hardest part about this divorce is that Nicole really helped Keith get back on track. Keith Urban was an alcoholic, and Nicole staged an intervention only a few months into their marriage. Like, this is back in 2006, okay? 19 years of her putting in time and enormous amounts of effort, because rehabilitation is typically a lifelong commitment for the person and their partner. Keith even mentioned in his speech honoring Nicole that he wouldn't have made it at all where he is today without her. His career is back in full swing. He's touring, and we hear rumors that he's cheating on Nicole with one of his coworkers, a stagehand. And I think the court documents might give us a little bit of insight into that. Look, before we get into all that court nugget stuff, can I just understand why Nicole keeps dating men who are shorter than her? Tom Cruise, Keith Urban, who's next? Like Kevin Hart? I mean, can't she give tall guys like us a chance? I mean, I'm getting tired of these double standards, and in court, these divorce cases can get really messy, especially when you have a lot of assets. However, Nicole Kidman is definitely not gonna get herself into another mess, especially after her previous experiences. So she definitely has a prenup, and we all know that. But what if I told you that a prenup can't cover child custody? And Nicole has 2 daughters with Keith who are now teenagers. I think that custody split in court, I think it tells us a lot. According to court documents, Nicole gets the kids for 306 days every year. Keith gets the kids for the remaining 59 days, less than 2 months every year. Typically, if the father is able and willing to take care of the kids, custody should start at 50-50. But here, something made the court change that. The family court will prioritize what's best for the kids. So don't think of it of what the parents want, it's what's best for the kids. Which leads me to believe that if the court gave Keith so little time with his own children, it means one of 2 things. Either he is still struggling with some of his demons, so much so that he's not able to care for the kids long term, or he's just on tour for too long around the whole year, and he can't, like, year-round tour, and he can't take care of the kids and give them a stable home. Now, the second one could be realistic, but he's gonna stop touring at some point, right? Well, the court's parenting plan is permanent. So it's not really thinking of carve-out times between when he's on tour and when he's home. It's thinking that it's permanent. Something must be up. Did the court know something we don't know? Or is this maybe a choice by Keith to pursue his career until the end of time? After being with his kids for 16 years, I just get a feeling that he wouldn't have wanted to give that up so easily. And with Nicole being the one to file for divorce after she spent 19 years working with him, I feel like she's giving up for a deeper reason. Tell me what you think in the comments.